Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Vision Innovative. So today we are going to discuss about the mystery of Bhangarh. The Bhangarh fort is a 16th century fort built in the Rajasthan state of India. It was built by Bhagwan Das for his younger son Madhav Singh. The fort and its precincts are well preserved. The once flourishing town and fort suddenly became desolate, and that left many people wondering, giving way to Bhangarh Fort ghost story and legends we read about these days. We all are very peculiar about ghosts, and Bhangarh Fort haunted stories increased human curiosity, due to which it's one of the most visited places in town. Considered to be one of the most haunted places of India, this historic ruin of a once wonderful palace still is a beautiful behold with accounts from the locals and a few visitors claiming to have felt eeriness in the evening windows or felt a presence around them as the sun sets. There is plenty of unearthed here. That said, the fort is still a prime example of Indian architecture. The Bhangarh fort is beautiful too, with the greenery around the Aravalli hills looming up front. Another interesting thing is the fort is in close proximity to Sariska National Park, which is a popular tiger reserve of India. Structurally, the fort is said to be inspired by the medieval Shahjahanabad city, with massive wooden gates at the four sides and the side of the porcelain carved with ornate small temples, waterfalls to add airflow, thereby keeping the space cool. The ghost stories, legend of the fort. India is a land of mysticism and paranormal stories. At every turn, you come face to face with something ancient and mysterious. Bhangarh, with its royalty setting in Rajasthan and a prehistoric presence, is no exception to this. While you can hear all about the roaming spirits of the restless or impure souls from the locals or from tourists who claim to have felt a presence, all these stories have their roots at two of the legends that surround the fort and its ruins. The first legend is that within the fort walls lived a sadhu named Guru Ballu Nath, and his permission to build the fort was sought first by Mansingh, and that while Sadhu did give the king permission, he also laid a condition that under no circumstances should the fort create a shadow over his house, and if that happened, the city will perish. The king swore on this, but his descendants failed to keep the oath, and as a result of the broken oath, the curse befell. The second and more popular legend is that Princess Ratnavati, who was a very beautiful woman, caught the attention of Tantric Singha, a well-versed magician who practiced dark arts. He tried to win her over, but she kept refusing him. He then resorted to using magic on her by hiding a love potion in his perfume. But the princess came to know of this, and she poured the entire bottle over a huge boulder which crushed the Tantric. Before breathing his last, and Tantric placed a curse on the town which led to his destruction. Before dying, Singhiak cursed the city of Bhangarh to death. As a result, it never witnessed any rebirth. Moreover, in the battle between Ajabgarh and Bhangarh, Princess Ratnavati was killed, thus adding more weight to the malediction. Hopes, however, never die, as several locals are of the belief that she has returned in the different form and will ultimately come back to end the unfortunate spell on Bhangarh. While Bhangarh fort story has been revised by scientists, nothing stops the villagers from believing that it is a sanctuary of ghosts. People have supposedly often heard noises that are unaccounted for. The locals claim to have heard women screaming and crying, bangles breaking, and strange music emerging from the fort. There have been instances where a special perfume was emanating from the Bhangarh fort, along with ghostly shadows and inexplicable lights. Some people have felt the strange sensation of being followed and even slapped by an invisible entity. It is believed that if a person enters the fort after sunset, he or she will never ever come out of it. The doors are always locked after dusk, and entry into the Vanguard Fort at night is absolutely forbidden. Are all of the Vanguard Fort stories factual or just strange pieces of fiction? So this is all for today's video. If you like to see more videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.